disclaimer before you start watching this video. If you have nothing nice to say, don't say it. Don't say it. Just don't. Just bzz, bzz, nothing. Okay? All right. I love you guys. Episode of Female Farmer Rancher. We all know that I don't like mechanic stuff, but that's like really just part of the job. So usually in a situation like this, I would just assist and not do anything particularly like intense. I would just be handing things to my dad. So today I was like, how hard is it for you to coach me and tell me exactly what I need to do in order to do it? And he said that he would do that. So I'm going to be replacing an alternator on a, what am I replacing the alternator on?
Yanmar diesel.
A Yanmar diesel. And I'm also going to be changing the oil in the 8330 tractor. So I don't know if I'm going to separate these two. I don't know what to do about my hair. I don't know if I'm going to separate these two things and make them two separate videos, or if we'll just put this in one. Because I'll be honest, we're going to do both of them today, and I have an extra shirt for like the oil and a shirt for like not the oil, the dirty job, the oil change. So we'll see. I don't know. Stay tuned. Say a prayer. Okay, so here we are on the site. This is the alternator, and I'm going to get coached on how to take this bad boy off.
Remove this bolt's in reverse.
This bolt
up here.
Okay, now what?
The wires. Remember pulling the blue part, not on the red. Wiggle them. There you go. Got one. Do it again easily. There you go.
Okay.
Now, here, take my pliers and undo this nut here and take all these off.
Am I really a farmer? I didn't have pliers in my pocket. Okay, what do I do with the wires?
Lay them to the side.
Wait. Do I need to remember how they came off?
No, I'll get it. Or I'll figure it out.
Okay.
So you got them unplugged?
Yeah, now what?
I'm gonna lift this up. Pull this. Take it off the belt. Push it in to get it off the belt.
Like in towards the motor?
Yeah. There you go. Can you get the belt off? Tell you what,
Where's your pliers?
lose these bolts. This has got to come off anyway. Get these bolts right here. See them?
With the impact? With the impact?
No, well, you can try it. Will it get them?
No. Oh no! No?
Put this on it then.
Loosen them or take them off?
Yeah, I want them clear off. Should be able to hand do the nut on the other side now.
That's the one.
Yeah, you have to have them all off so the thing will come off.
I just don't know if it'll be heavy.
It's very light.
Okay.
There you go, you're getting it.
I can turn it by hand now, probably, huh?
Not sure. Good question.
Okay. Now what do I do?
We're gonna go over to the pickup and compare it. Make sure it's the right thing.
Hold, please. You guys are on a tripod. How cool. Just take you with me.
You gotta work magic like you did on the other one.
I can't see. I have to stop.
Don't break the blade.
I'm just joking.
Almost there. They asked why you're doing this. It's because it's different than the old one, and I don't have a longer bolt, so.
There you have it. This is why we're doing this.
So that it looks like that one.
Okay, let's take my tripod over.
We're going to put the belt on first.
Okay.
Makes installation easier. Oh, fudge. Too fat.
Okay, belt's on first.
Yeah, reverse order the way you took it off. Which means
Which one does this go on? Does it matter? Doesn't matter.
the nut can go the inside or vice versa. I'd say inside's better though, right? My opinion.
Is this the right way?
Go clockwise to tighten it.
No, but does it matter which way I put this one?
Shouldn't. You get it to start.
This moves so you can like see.
Where'd the ratchet go?
I don't know.
Down there. Gotta switch it to tighten it. There you go. It's not easy. Believe me, there's much worse than this.
Okay, now what?
Now we're gonna get the last one. Well, on this side, didn't it? Which side? Do you remember which side it went on?
Tell me what to do.
So it must have went on that side. You put the bolt going in that way. It's so tough. There, see if you can get him. Move your hands.
It needs to go out more.
Okay.
Because it's bigger. Where's the bolt? Where's the bolt?
the bracket's not right. It's not made right. It's homemade junk, and it isn't quite big enough for the hole. Down a little bit, and then you think you will.
Where's your...
Start it straight so don't cross it. Push as you go. Here, I'll get it for you. You're in.
Where's the thing?
What?
The nut.
Wire the nut for...
No.
There's no nut on that one.
Oh.
Just a second, hang on. Hook up your wires again, slide them in.
He says hook up the wires.
The spade ends, you know, the flat ends, they will plug in. Like that one there goes to this here. You have to take this nut off. It goes behind there, any of those with that kind of end, okay? These guys here with that type end, they slide in here. There's two lugs, see them?
Where does this end go? Does it matter how they go in?
You got it. Just put that on like you are.
Does the order go?
No, not at all on that. Okay. Make sure you get them all on there. You'll be doing it.
I wish I was a mechanic. I'm just joking, I don't, but like if I were, it'd be easy. Now, how do these things go?
See those little splayed terminals?
Does it matter which way?
Neither way, doesn't matter. They got slot, you can just barely see them. They slide over that.
Yeah, I get it. Okay.
Did they go in?
Yeah.
Okay, looks like you got this tight. You got to tighten this.
Is that tight? No.
Wire tight, okay. Takes a while. It's not handy there. I don't have the nut driver that would speed it up, you know, socket, whatever you want to call that. Loosening. I don't have the socket that we need. Okay, wiring got the. Okay, now we're gonna take your tools off. A lot of vibration.
Are you starting it?
Yeah.
Hold, please.
I gotta set up here. Let me get some plastic tie to hold this thing so we can read it.
How soon till you start it?
5 seconds. I got a little time, a little bit of time.
Well, can you start it now?
Yeah.
And then I can end the video.
Yep. We're gonna watch this gauge. You need a video of this gauge.
Why?
So they can see it's charging.
Okay.
It's not easy doing all this neat shit.
Okay, so we successfully replaced the alternator. How do you think that went? How do you think that went?
Good.
He says it went well. He said good, actually. Okay, so now we're gonna go change the oil in the tractor. He's gonna coach me on how to replace the oil. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're on site with the tractor. I'm going to be changing the oil. I have learned that this right here is the plug for the oil right here. This is where I'll be refilling it when I go to put in new oil right here. So Stay tuned. He said the plug's really tight. Stay tuned, kids. I'm weak.
It's on. You're live.
Okay. Oh no! Can you come up on top on this wheel well and hold it horizontally? Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
The video.
Get the plug.
Yeah.
Don't drop the plug. Set it aside.
Okay. Now
Just let it drain. It'll take a while. We're gonna go to the other side and get the filter now. You want to clean your hands with starting fluid?
Yeah.
Okay. You can get out of there.
Okay. Okay, we got it off. Yummy. So we let that drain.
Say when.
Is this healthy? It's really cold on my fingers. It's cold.
You want me to film it?
Yeah. Okay. Can I just shop towel? Okay, shop towel. Beautiful. That was messy.
Now we're going to go to the oil filter.
Okay.
Let's go over here.
Man, that thing filled up quick.
Yeah, it holds a lot.
It's really full, boys. Okay.
Go over here now.
Now we're going to relocate you.
We're going to take the filter cover off. See this nut up here? I'll get a wrench.
Okay.
Keep doing that till it comes apart. If you do that,
Can I do it by hand?
Well, when it gets loose enough, do it by hand now. On my gloves?
No.
I'll go get the new filter, okay? Is that okay?
Yes. I'm a mechanic. That is a lie. I enjoy doing lots of things, but this is like literally not something I enjoy doing. And now I know why technicians get paid so well. You know? Because this sucks. This is why they get paid so well. Now what?
Just wait. I'm coming. I want to see how the orientation. Try to take that black thing off.
I already did.
Let's see it. Okay. You have to clear out with that whole mess. Yep. Bring it out.
Hang on, it's oily.
Okay. Put those in that. Push down. Don't screw, just push down.
Does it line up?
It pops in. It's like a snap. There, you got it. Great. Jackpot.
Okay.
Now reverse order.
I just put it in here?
And screw it back down like you did. Reverse order. Did it start for you?
Yeah. Our 5-gallon pail's overflowing.
That's all right. I don't care. You don't have it cross-threaded, right? The other way, north. And we go north.
All right, I don't need your like sassiness in the back, thank you. How tight is tight?
I'll tell you when you're done, okay? That's good. That's good. I need the socket. The wrench will put it up.
That plug back in. I don't know though. We don't know. Do I put the plug back in?
Yeah, a little more. Get it good and tight like you have. That's good. That's good.
I can't.
Okay.
Okay. All right, now what?
We're gonna pour the oil in it. Take the lid off.
Okay.
Set it aside. Check it. This goes down. We need to add. We're good now. Okay. Need to set up again. And I'll get mine going. Okay. You're live. Screw it down. I'll take care of the funnel. You'll be fine. I'm just watching. But if I tell you to quit it, you shut it off instantly. Okay. Then I want you to back the thing up so I can get the jug here underneath.
Folks, that was it. Okay, oil changed. How do you think that went?
Real good.
Good.
Fine.
It went fine, he says. Okay, folks, there you have it. That was behind the scenes. I don't like mechanicking, and it's definitely part of farming. It's either pay and have it be super expensive or do it yourself, which I need to do more of myself, because if I'm ever going to take over the operation, I should probably know how to do a lot of this shit. But I don't enjoy doing it, and I think it's because my dad always did it when I was younger, and I don't like it. It's not my thing. It's just not my thing. I like doing other things. I like running the equipment. I like driving the semi. I like doing cow stuff. I'm just not big into the mechanics. I'm just not. I wish I were, but I'm not. So, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did not. Just joking. Anyway, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my other platforms, Instagram, Patreon, Twitter, True Fanz, my merch, all that good stuff. Also, if you have a mean comment, like, let's just not say it. Let's not say it. We only strive for positivity on this channel, so for all of you people, just don't.